Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Unfold Pro feature and how to use the premium tools to make your Instagram content look next level. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps are almost the same on Android too. Let's jump in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Unfold app. If you have never subscribed before, on the free version, you can still make stories but only with basic templates and tools. Look for the spot in the app that says Pro, Unlock or Try Pro. This is usually the Discovery tab, the profile setting area or button near the top that says Pro. Tap it to start the upgrade. Unfold Pro is paid subscription monthly or yearly. You will see options like monthly plan, yearly plan with a free trial. Unfold often includes a 7-day free trial before you are charged. Tap your plan and confirm with your Face ID or your Apple Google account to subscribe. Once subscribed, you have access to pro level tools. Here what you can do. No longer be limited to the free ones. Choose from hundreds or of premium layout to make your stories pop. You can upload your own font, logos, stickers. This is perfect for business or creators with signature look. You can also log in to the Unfold Pro web dashboard on the computer to manage many assets easily, especially helpful for business content. When you will create or edit a story, you can choose a premium template, you can add your media, you can use brand color and upgraded font. You can also add logo or stickers and even you can share your high quality content. These pro tools help you to create more professional and polished posts faster. And that's it, you have learned how to unlock and use Unfold Pro feature. That's it, that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you next one.